Here in the city, there is a big disparity between the demographic of COVID-vaccinated students versus unvaccinated kids. And News 12's Caitlin Ulrich tells us about a new study from NYU Langone Health that's exploring those numbers.
To make it simple, researchers looked at data from the New York City Department of Education. They looked at where schools were, what race and ethnicities made up different schools, and the vaccination rates of each school.
Some of the trends were broadly consistent with the type of things we've seen in adults.
Like vaccination rates varying by borough. Manhattan had the highest rate of COVID-vaccinated students with nearly a 60% rate, and Staten Island had the lowest with a 38.6% rate.
We're going to have to do a lot more work to understand, what's behind these trends, what's the why, what's driving it, what's motivating it.
More work because the data analyzed is the broad data.
Ideally, you'd want to know more about sort of their parents and political views and services in their community, kind of a whole variety of things to help really understand it and help us kind of further understand where we need to kind of put more outreach efforts here.
The data shows that majority Asian students had the highest vaccination rates. Next were majority Hispanic students, with the lowest being majority white and black students. For News 12, Caitlin Ulrich.